welcome back to my channel. Finally, oh my god, it's been so long. And when I say so long, for the people that's new, it's been like almost 2 years, and that's too long. That's too long. So I'm finally back. I've been planning and like writing down ideas and stuff like that and all of that, but haven't been executing. But today is the day. Today I was at work and I'm like, you know what? When I go home, I set up my ring light like 2 days ago. I'm like, when I go home, and I've had the ring light for months, maybe like 2 months now, and I haven't done anything with it. I set it up 2 days ago, and I'm like, you know what? Today is the day. Today is the day I go back on YouTube, and here we are. I've been putting it off. I've been in my head a lot. I've been self-doubting. I've been letting people get in my head with like negativity, all of that. But today, all of that ends, and I'm back. So, welcome back to my channel. All right, there's been so much happening, so much going on in my life, and I feel like we should just recap. Like, let's start there, just so like everybody's on the same page. First things first, and if you see me looking down, I'm trying to figure out what this puppy is doing. So I have a new puppy. That's number one. But I'm trying to figure out what he's trying to do, making sure he's not eating my shoes. Anyways, so first things first, I moved. I moved to the Midwest from New York, and it's been, I would say, 6 months so far. It's going by so fast and so slow, but it's been about 6 months since I moved, or more. I probably just can't count. But it's been just such a ride. Like, I did not plan on moving at all. Like, if you know me, I have a little spontaneity in there, a little bit, a lot. But this, I kind of dragged it with this spontaneous shit. But so yeah, so I moved. The reason being, there's a couple different factors, but I guess I'll name some of the factors. One, New York is expensive. I feel like I wanted to upgrade my quality of life. I feel like I really couldn't achieve that. I feel like I could achieve it in New York, but it just would take a little bit longer, and I kind of wasn't willing to wait. And okay, sorry, my phone died. Blackout, well, my storage. Puppy, yes, baby. All right. Mommy's making a music video. Mommy's making a video. Go play with your banana. Go. Anyways, so yeah, this move was super spontaneous. So I guess, oh yeah, I had tweeted that I had wanted to live in a different city, and I wanted to live in a different country in like the next 2 years or something. Happened way soon. I guess I spoke that into existence. Stop that on my table. This puppy is gonna get what do people name? PETA called on me. Come here. Get. Anyways, that's number one. Number two, or one of the reasons. Number two, I got a man, and we met in New York at a mutual friend's surprise birthday. Turns out he lived in Ohio, and after about 6 months of long distance, seeing each other like every 2 weeks or something, I just decided to move. Like, I came here one day, well, I applied to a job, and when I was visiting, they were like, we want to interview you or whatever. So I ended up getting the job the same day, and I got the job, and I literally put in a notice at work like, hey, can't come back, and just never went back. Like, I was supposed to go back the next day, and I just never went back. Yeah, and then I moved. I went back to New York, got my stuff, and then moved here like 2 weeks later. So very spontaneous, and Another reason was just I needed change. Like I just needed something different. New York was amazing. I don't know if you guys know, some of you do. I moved here from Jamaica. I lived in New York for about 10 years. It was amazing 10 years, but I needed change. I'm the type of person that constantly needs change. Like I cannot deal with the same thing over and over again. It literally drives me insane. So, babe, come on. Okay.
You want to keep your family out your video?
Babe, come on.
Hi guys.
Move. Go. No, don't trip over the wire. Go.
Boca need a cameo.
Babe, come on.
Alright, bye.
Close the door. I'm trying to be professional. Close the door. Anyways, so, what happened? Yeah, I'm the type of person who constantly needs change. Like, so, ended up moving here. The job that I had got, I hated it. Like, I was miserable. Worst job ever. And I think that was karma for leaving the other job so soon, whatever. But whatever, stuck it out for like 2 months. Really wanted to quit the first day, but I'm the type of person, I need the security of a check. So that was coming in, so I just thugged it out. I'll do a story time on that job at some point. But yeah, so now I'm at a new job, and this job fuels my need for change. So I don't stay at one location every day. I get to move around, I get to meet new people. I've been in this role for about 2 months, I think. November, December, January, February. 3 months, I'll say 3 months. Coming up around the 3-month mark, I would say. And so far so good. I don't hate it. It allows me to get to know the place. So yeah. What else? Babe, seriously? No, really. You're about to drive me insane. You could have took your clothes off and just been chilling.
I want to bathe. I just really want to bathe. Can't bathe. You look pretty.
Thanks. Stop.
Cutie patootie.
Babe, stop.
Oh my God.
I don't even have storage for this. The lights are blinding. Yeah, so with this job, I get to move around, I get to do different things, meet different people, whatever, yada, yada, yada. Cool. Fuels that drive for change, blah, 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 whatever. It's still not in my field, but for now, I'm satisfied with this job. I don't hate it. First time I ever not hated a job. So that's that. What else? I got a car. Now, if you know me, I've never been one to want like a foreign car or anything like that. Like I've literally always just wanted a car for the convenience, get to point A, get from point B, blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. But I ended up going to the lot, seeing this car, and I was just like, this is it. The price was right. Got it. Great. Boom. Got the car. Then we looked for an apartment that we could call home and grow our family. And we finally found an apartment that we both like, with all the amenities and stuff that we both want. Both of us are very picky. We're very specific. So we ended up finding an apartment that suits both of us to the T. The price is right. Everything is right. So we moved. This is our first week. Well, we just ended our first week in our new apartment. So I'm gonna give you guys an apartment tour when I have all my picture frames up. Like, it's just like small touches. Like, all the furniture is here. And I'll do a story time on that too, because I was finding out a lot when I was buying furniture and stuff. So everything, the place is fully furnished. The place has been fully furnished since the day we moved in. We had all the furniture set. Whatever pickups or deliveries we had to do, We had those set for the day that we moved in, so everything was here when we were ready. We did not want to live in an unfurnished place at all. So for like a couple months, like I was looking for the best deals. I had time, all of that, great. The place is perfect. I just need like little flowers for like the bathroom. These flowers Deontay got me like 3 days ago, but I do have some faux flowers to put in here. Just a whole bunch of things. But we got a new apartment. I love it. It's my first time having my own apartment, so I'm very excited about that. It's just great to be in like your own space and not have to be in somebody else's space. I like to be, you know, in my own. So it's been very, very amazing so far. This move has taught me a lot. I'll say that. Like, it's been super different. Like, there's things that I expected to happen. Like, I expected to come here and not have any friends because I don't have any friends here. I didn't know anybody here. Like, this move, when I moved here to Ohio from New York. Now, when I lived in New York, I had a bunch of friends, a bunch of associates. Like, just based on like the school that I went to or schools that I went to or people that I knew, like I always would be able to go somewhere and see somebody that I know. So to come or see a familiar face, like even if I don't know them personally, like I would see them and know like, hey, that's so-and-so friend, or that would be my friend, or I'd be able to call my friend like, hey, let's go here, let's go to brunch, let's go this, blah, blah, blah. Let's go to the mall, something. Let's go to Target. Like literally I have nobody but Deontay to do that with. And as much as I love him, you know, you still need a friend. So I feel like that has been one of the more, I don't know the word, but that's one of the things that I've had to adjust to. Is just, I'm naturally a loner, I feel like, but damn, like this was like a whole different ballgame. But after I got over like the first couple months, I'll say like the first 3 months of like, damn, I have no friends, blah, blah, blah. Then I think after that, like I was good. It's still adjusting, but yeah. So at first I was like, this is like a stepping stone to go to where I feel like I could flourish more within the media world, because you guys know that's like my thing. But I feel like I like it here. I don't know right now if this is like the finale or if I'm gonna move or if we're gonna move. But for right now, I think this is good for now. I'll give it maybe like a year and then see. I like the environment. I realized when I went back to New York in January, it's now February, March, I realized that New York actually fuels a lot of my anxiety, like a lot of it. Like when I went there, it was just like, everything's so fast. Everything's just going so fast all the time. Everybody's just always on the go. It's just it's just always so much happening at once that you don't get time to just breathe and relax. And I think that's why even me, like when I used to live there and I used to go to Jamaica, it used to be like a reset, because I'll be able to just relax, take some time, breathe for a little bit before going back. And that's why I think vacations are super important. But here I feel very calm, and I feel like the move is serving its purpose. Like not only being closer to my man, blah blah, all that. I feel like I've become more responsible. I'm planning. Like I'm not like this super spontaneous like person anymore. It's still there, don't get me wrong, but as far as like finances, like I've been planning. I have a goal of how much I want to save for the year, things like that. Like before, like I would save, but it would just be like, all right, like I'm not gonna spend this check or whatever. But now it's intentional saving. So I think that's good. I think I've just been in a space when you have somebody who helps you to do that, that's also good. What else? I just feel like it's been a really good move. I feel like there's been things that I had to do to get to here where I could do this. And obviously we're there. So hopefully this new leaf that I'm turning over with YouTube and you guys will be a good one. I think, well, I know I'll be able to stay more consistent because I'll be able to, you know, be on my schedule. There are no distractions because I have no friends here to distract me. Like, there's nothing for me to do. Like, I literally, you would think like I'll be able to save a lot, but I still go out to eat. But yeah, I think so far so good. What else has been new? I gained like 20 pounds to like, I don't know where that came from last year. So I've been trying to stop eating, but that's not been working. I got a nose piercing. I don't know if you guys could see it. That was spontaneous. We went to an arcade. I was drunk. We went in the mall, walking past the piercing place. Oh, let's get a piercing. Got a nose piercing. We got a puppy. The puppy just appeared one day. I came home and the puppy was here, named and all, ready to stay. So that took a little adjusting. Whatever, got a puppy. So I think that kind of sums up what's been going on. It's been, I know it seemed a little short, I think, but it's been a lot going on. I'm just trying to compact it and make it small, make it not too lengthy. But this channel is going to now be Style Crazy with Qwaci, or all things crazy with Qwaci. So it's gonna be food crazy with Qwaci, it's gonna be style crazy, it's gonna be lifestyle crazy, it's gonna be so many things, so many different branches, more than just style crazy. So I hope you guys subscribe, I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys just tune in and enjoy the content that I bring to you. I'm just happy to be here. All right, guys. See ya the next video.